Best instant no-exam life insurance of May 2022. We've come to expect conveniences such as easy price comparisons and instant delivery when we buy a product. If you've been shopping for life insurance, you may feel you've entered into a time warp. Life insurance quotes aren't always available online. There are typically long applications, life insurance medical exams and lengthy wait times for approval. But there are companies looking to remake the life insurance shopping experience. They're forging a path for no-exam life insurance that can be competitively priced with traditional life insurance policies. We scored providers based on price and coverage benefits to help you find the best no-exam instant life insurance. 01. Bright House Simply Select Maximum No-Exam Coverage $2 million. Eligible ages 25-50. Term lengths available 10, 20 or 30 years. Why we picked it. The Bright House Simply Select policy offers the best benefits across the categories we scored and excellent rates. Simply Select was developed in collaboration with Policy Genius and is currently only available through them. Pros and cons: can be converted to a permanent life insurance policy, guaranteed renewal to age 95. Includes an accelerated death benefit. You can reduce coverage after 1 year. The eligible age maxes out at 50. 02. Jenny Life Maximum No Exam Coverage $1 million. Eligible ages 18-70. Term lengths available 10, 15, 20 or 30 years. Why we picked it. Jenny Life offers excellent life insurance rates among the companies we scored and a high age for eligibility. Pros and cons: includes an accelerated death benefit for policies approved at a standard, average health, or better rate class. Guaranteed renewal to age 95. Customers up to age 70 eligible for a no-exam policy. No option to convert to a permanent policy. No ability to change the coverage amount later. 03. Lincoln Financial Term Axle Maximum No-Exam Coverage $1 million. Eligible ages 18-60. Term lengths available 10, 15, 20 or 30 years. Why we picked it. Lincoln Financial's top-notch coverage benefits boosted its score. Read more. Lincoln Financial Life Insurance Review. Pros and cons: can be converted to a permanent life insurance policy, guaranteed renewal to age 95. The first 3 years of renewal, after your initial level term length, are at the same rate, although coverage will be reduced. Provides an accelerated death benefit. Ability to decreased coverage after 3 years. Rates are just okay compared to others in our analysis. Watch for an additional annual policy fee of $80 to $90 a year. 04. Sagicor Life Maximum No-Exam Coverage $500,000 for instant coverage for ages 18-65. Instant amounts up to $1 million available for ages 18-45. Eligible ages 18-65. Term lengths available 10, 15 or 20 years. Why we picked it. Sagicor's excellent rates and very good benefits make it a solid choice. Pros and cons: can be converted to a permanent life insurance policy. Includes an accelerated death benefit, guaranteed renewal to age 95. Living benefits are also available for nursing home confinement, allowing someone to access money from their own death benefit if needed. Low maximum coverage compared to others. No ability to change the policy face amount later. 05. Ladder Maximum No-Exam Coverage $3 million. Eligible ages 20-60. Term lengths available 10, 15, 20, 25 or 30 years. Why we picked it. Ladder sets itself apart by allowing you to change your coverage amount anytime in order to adjust it to your needs. But it's hindered by relatively high rates and lack of some valuable coverage benefits. Pros and cons: high maximum coverage amount of $3 million. Wide range of term length options. Ability to change face amount anytime, as often as you like, in your ladder account, with no fee for doing so. No option to convert to a permanent life insurance policy. No guaranteed renewal to a high age. No accelerated death benefit available. High average rate. 06. Ethos Maximum No-Exam Coverage $1 million. Eligible ages 20-60. Term lengths available 10, 15, 20, 30 years why we picked it. Says coverage benefits make it an option to take a look at, although we found rates to be relatively high. Pros and cons: accelerated death benefit available, guaranteed renewal up to age 94, although at a reduced coverage amount. No option to convert to a permanent life insurance policy. No ability to change policy face amount. High average life insurance rates. Tips for buying no exam life insurance: instantly calculate how much life insurance you need. An instant no exam policy may not be able to provide the full coverage amount you need, especially if you're looking to cover many working years or the years of raising a family. Before you start getting price quotes, calculate how much life insurance you need. A no exam policy alone may not be sufficient. Coverage: know your chances before you apply. Getting life insurance without a long application process is appealing, but don't jump into a no-exam application without understanding your chances of getting approved. Many no-exam policies require very good or excellent health for approval. A denial goes on your insurance record and could hinder future applications. Customers wanting instant decision life insurance should ask the seller to reveal the underwriting guidelines before applying so that you don't accidentally earn an unwanted rate up or decline on your insurance record, says Bob Bland, CEO of Life Quotes, a national online life insurance agency that offers a variety of policies including no exam, instant decision and traditional policies. The instant decision life insurance plans have strict acceptance guidelines. The successful applicants for these plans tend to be in excellent health with no serious pre-existing conditions, no dangerous hobbies, are below age 45 with coverage requests that do not exceed $250,000, observes Bland. Don't be surprised if you end up doing a more traditional application process, including a life insurance medical exam, if you've had some health issues. Look beyond the rates. Of course you don't want to overpay on life insurance, but don't research price alone. There are coverage options that can turn out to be very valuable long after you buy the policy, such as the option to convert term life to permanent life insurance. Also look at whether there's an accelerated death benefit, which gives you access to your own death benefit if you become terminally ill. The instant decision life insurance market is new, evolving and represents an exciting growth sector because of the ease with which a purchase can be made, says Bland at Life Quotes. But don't overlook the fundamentals. There are differences in policy features, and always ask to see the company's AM Best rating before you buy. Be truthful on the application. No matter what type of life insurance you're applying for, be truthful on the application. Intentional misrepresentations can lead to application denials or, worse, denial of a claim by beneficiaries. Life insurance companies have many ways to verify application information. Technology on the back end allows them to verify data from additional sources. This additional data can include your prescription drug history, answers on past life insurance applications, and your driving record. Have a plan in case of a rejection. If you're rejected for a no-exam life insurance policy because of health, don't give up your life insurance search. If you need life insurance, you likely have other routes. Be prepared to go through a more traditional underwriting process that involves a life insurance medical exam. Work with an experienced life insurance agent to identify insurers that are known to be more friendly to your specific health conditions. An experienced life insurance agent can shop around your application anonymously, so that you don't risk another rejection. Methodology: we scored companies based on these measurements. Price, 50% of score. We averaged the life insurance rates for males and females in excellent health at ages 30, 35, 40 and 45 for $500,000 in term lengths of 10, 20 and 30 years. Not all companies in our analysis offer all term lengths, coverage options and benefits. 50% of score, maximum no exam coverage amount. Companies with higher no exam coverage amounts earn more points. Note that maximum coverage can sometimes become lower if you apply at a higher age. Availability of a 30-year term length. A long-term length is especially important for younger buyers who want coverage through their working years. Note that term length choices can sometimes be shorter if you apply at a higher age. Age is eligible for a no-exam policy. Companies offering no-exam policies to folks over age 50 earned extra points. Accelerated death benefits. This important feature lets you access part of your own death benefit in the event of a terminal illness. Other living benefits. Companies earned points for additional living benefits beyond an accelerated death benefit. We did not include life insurance riders in the scoring. Conversion to permanent life. This is a good option to have in place if you decide you want a longer policy, especially if your health has declined and you don't want to shop for new life insurance. Guaranteed renewal. This option lets you extend the coverage after your initial level term period has expired, such as at the end of 10, 20 or 30 years. Renewal rates can be significantly higher, but it can provide extended coverage to someone who may no longer qualify for a new policy because of health. Ability to change face amount. Companies earned points for providing the flexibility to change the coverage amount. Sources: Bestow, Ethos, Fabric, Haven Life, Jenny Life, Ladder, Life Quotes and Policy Genius. The timeline for approval could be within seconds or 2 to 3 days, depending on the company and possibly even your health. For our purposes, we call these instant policies. There are many other life insurance companies that sell no-exam life insurance but without instant decisions. The chances of avoiding an exam can vary widely among companies depending on your age, health, coverage amount and term length. We focused on the emerging space of instant no-exam life insurance, where several startups are looking to redefine the life insurance buying experience. We did not include guaranteed issue life insurance in our analysis. These policies offer coverage with no medical exam but are intended mainly for seniors looking to cover final expenses. Guaranteed issue policies usually have a graded death benefit, meaning they won't pay out a full amount in the first few years. Looking for traditional term life insurance? See Forbes Advisor's ratings of the best term life insurance.